It's your boy J Will back with another video update. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys an update of a Google ad that I set up about 2-3 days ago. You can go back to my old video, you can see me set up this whole ad. And today we're gonna look at what this ad is currently doing right now. Am I in profit or not? Let's get it. Thing we're gonna do, go into Google Ads today. As you can see, I got 33 clicks out of 179 impressions. I'm paying about $3.32 per click. I spent $109 today. As you can see, today is October the 19th, 2021. And let's see, let's go to the ad. Got 2 ads running of the same product. Got 21 clicks on one, 12 clicks on the other one. As you can see, my click-through rate overall is 18%, which is very, very good. Now let's go look at my results. Actually, I've been running this campaign for about 3 days, so let's put it back. I think I did it on Sunday, maybe 4 days. Let's see. So total 99 clicks, 815 impressions, $241 total for this campaign for the past 3 days, 3 or 4 days. So we're gonna swing on over to digistore24. Log in. As you can see, today is October 19th, $376 today. Yesterday was a refund, and Sunday was $263. So let's calculate that on our calculator. Let's see, 376 plus 263 is 639. Minus 241 minus 241. So far we made $398 this week. We in profit. Now the other campaign I set up for ClickBank, this is a double video. I'm gonna show you guys the results for that. So we're gonna swing on over to my other Google ad account right here. Take a look at that campaign for the day. See how this one is doing. Come on, Google, come on, Google. So that's for the past couple of days. Let's look for the day. Just the 19th. All right, for the 19th of October, spent about $73 today. Let's go log into ClickBank. And if you want to see the campaign set up, you can just go back to my last few videos I made. You'll see the whole campaign set up with Google Ads. Right now, I'm just showing you guys the step-by-step results of how the campaign is going so far. Today is October 19th, Tuesday, 137. Yesterday, about $40. The day before, 181. So we're doing okay with this ad. 73. Go to the calculator. Take 137 minus 73. 137 minus 73. Today, $64 in profit. Give these campaigns a few more days. If you can see me in profit, let them run, see how they do. And then meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good night.